Beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Onyechi Evangeline Chama. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Zara headband. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorials. I have a velvet here, okay, and this is the bell velvet. It's not the regular one. Then I also have my mako here. So the mako is about 3 inches width, then the length is about 19 inches. Then for my material, I have about 23 inches. The length is about 23 inches and the width is about 7 inches. Okay, so it's on fold now. Then I also have velvet here. So, and I will also be needing a velvet, this husband and wife. So the measurements you need, this is the smaller one I have. So, but you need about 4 inches or 3 inches at most. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorials. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to fold this, my material, into 2. Then I'm going to stitch with 1/2 inches so that I'll have at least 3 inches here after I'm done stitching. Okay, so I'm going to stitch it all the way down, then get back to you. This is it. I'm done stitching. What I'll do next is to turn over to the other side to, reveal the right part of the fabric. So this is it. This is the right side, and I'm going to keep this sewn part at the center. Then I'll insert this mako right inside it. Okay, so I'm going to push it in. So I'm done fixing it inside, and this is what I have. Okay, this is what I have. So try and make this sewn part to be at the center. So this is how it looks now. So I'm going to insert this mako. So how I'm going to do it is that I'm going to fold it down this way, one edge, then sew on top of it, then extend my stitching. Just make sure that you cut out the equal measurement of mako here. Measure this and cut out the equal measurement. Okay, so but I don't have enough mako, that's why my mako is shorter. So I'm going to stitch on it, then after that I'll get back to you. So I have fixed this band here, so I'm going over to the next side to fix. So this is how it's going to be basically, you see. So this is it. So the next one, I'm going to put it here so that when you close it, it will close up. Okay, so I'm putting this one here, and the other one is going to be in the opposite direction. This one is here, so the other one is going to be just like that at the back. Okay, the front is going to face up like you. Okay, so this is it. It's going to stay like this, and I'm going to stitch it. Okay, so but I'm not going to stitch it like that. Okay, I'm going to, just the way I adjusted this side, I'm going to also adjust this other side. Okay, I'm going to make it neat. Okay, just like that, then I stitch. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. Fixing it, this is it. Okay, this is how the Zara headband looks like. So now I want to fix a design to it, a ball design, multiple ball design. So the measurement I have here is this is 6 inches by 6 inches. Okay, so and I have that in 2 places. Now for the edge, now I'm going to use this scissors, pinking shears, to cut it, to give it that zigzag look. Okay, so this is it. I'm also going to cut the other one So this is it now. So before we move over to making the bow, I want to show you the measurements I cut out. It's about 8 inches by 2.5 inches, and I'm going to stitch it this way. I'm going to fold the right parts. Okay, the right side is facing each other, and I'm going to stitch with stress stitches, then after which I turn it to reveal the right parts. So now for the bow design we'll attach to it, I've already sewn this part. I'm going to pleat this on. I'm going to make small pleats. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Let me start from the beginning so you will see it clearly. I'm trying to fold it just like that. You see? So I'm going to keep this one aside, then pleat this other one exactly the same way. So I'm trying to pleat the second one. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to tie the two of them together. So this is it. I'm going to tie it together just like that. So as you can see, I have a very beautiful leaf design here. So I can decide to use this to cover it up, but I don't think that would be necessary because I used a matching color of thread. So at the end of the day, I will use brooch to cover it up, but you can still cover yours up if you want that. Okay, so you cover it up like that, then you stitch. Just stitch at the back. Okay, then you attach it to this side. Just attach it to this side. Okay, this top where there's no marker. Okay, just attach it with your needle and thread or your gum, then your Zara headband is ready. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. This is the outcome, so I appreciate you. Bye. Please consider subscribing to my channel for beautiful headwears like this. Okay, I do tutorials on how to make anything headwear, both men, women and children. Okay, I've gone ahead to attach this beautiful bow to the headwear, and this is it. Okay, I attached it to one end of the headband. So this is what we have. So now you can decide to leave yours this way or you embellish. So for me, I'll be embellishing with this applique here, and I'm going to be sticking it with my gum. Okay, for this other part, I forgot to tell you, I removed one of these. Look at how I'm removing it. Okay, you can cut with your scissors, and you can also remove with your hands. Okay, so look at how I remove mine. Okay, as you can see, I've removed it. So I applied gum. This is the gum I used for this project. Okay, B6000. So I applied gum at the back, then sticked it on it. So instead of the band. Okay, so this is what I use, and it comes out very beautiful. So for this, I'm going to apply gum randomly here. Just apply gum all over this, and then before you do that, just measure, go ahead and measure your this thing, your headwear. I think mine should be about 23 inches or 22 inches after everything, 22 inches. So you cut out the exact measurement you want. Okay, then after cutting it out, you go ahead and apply gum. So after applying gum, carefully stick it to your marker. You can open it up and stick. Then you stick. So just press it down very well, and your headwear is ready. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you find these tutorials helpful, please subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. For all my subscribers, thank you very much for always coming by to watch my videos. I appreciate you. So, okay, let me put it on my dummy head so you can see the front view and the back view. Okay, so this is how the front looks, and for the back, this is how the back looks. So thank you very much for watching this video. All right, bye. Do have a lovely day. Don't hesitate to ask your questions. Drop it in the comment section. I will answer it.